Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to draw a human face. So I'm gonna start out with use a pencil with a good eraser. So let's draw the eyes first. We're gonna draw like a half oval at the top and bottom, but with pointy sides. So I'm gonna do that. Right now, it kind of looks like an old man with a bald head. But that's okay, we'll build it up as we go. And so you want to kind of make the eyelashes a little wild, because your eyelashes aren't going to be perfect. Then you draw the pupil. Put a little bit of lighting in there, like the little dots. Then draw the outside of it and put little lines around the pupil, then around where the color of your eye should be. Then you kind of just shade that in a little. Then do the same thing on the other side. So I messed up a little. So that's why you should have a good eraser, so you can erase the parts you've messed up on. But remember, it's not perfect, and it's just for fun, usually. Draw the bald guy again. I also kind of like put curliness at the top too, but we're drawing the pupil again. Remember, just put a little tiny bit of lighting, like the little circles. Okay, and then you do the tiny bit of shading. And I'm just trying to make this eye look a little bit more like the other, just to make it look a little better. So now I'm just gonna draw the nose, like put a little bit of shade in it. And remember to draw lightly so that if you need to erase, it doesn't show the pencil lining on the paper still. So just draw that. So I'm gonna draw the bottom of the nose. Just put a little line there and 2 lines on the outside. I messed up a little bit there, so I'm just gonna erase it and draw more. And with your nose, it's kind of more in the middle of your eyes, but it goes out at the top, then it gets more thin at the bottom as it goes. So there's the nose. We're gonna draw the mouth now. Gonna do a little bit of point and a little bit of point on the outside. Then you're gonna draw a little dash right there, sort of, and draw the bottom. And try to draw it thin, because with lips, you draw 2 sides and you don't want to make it look very fat. And so then you're gonna just draw the natural lining on your lips, just like that. Then, yeah, basically. So now we're gonna draw the outside of the head, and the only reason I drew the face first was because you don't want to draw the head and draw the head too small, so you'll have to make the face super tiny so you can't really see it very well. And so I'm just gonna do a little sketch of the head, and remember you can go back through it and erase as you go, because right now it kind of looks a little hairy. And just don't go all the way up because you've still got to add in hair. So just do a little bit more shade there. And as you can see, I made it look a little hairy there, and it's just a quick sketch. You can erase it anytime. Then you're gonna draw the ears. Every ear is different. You kind of just want to get the shape of the outside and just do a random earish type thing. I'm just doing lining on the inside and then draw the pointy type thing. Don't know what it's called. Just gonna draw the other ear. Same way as the ear that we just drew. Then we're gonna draw the hair, so it's not like a solid line right there. It's just gotta make it look like hair. So draw a little bit excess lines like that, and it'll make it look a little bit more realistic. And we're just doing this for fun, so make it go down a little more. And when you draw the hair, you kind of want to make the neck too, because it's not just gonna be a floating head. That would just be freaky. So just gonna fix up the lips a little more to make them not look as long. And do the natural lines again. So we're gonna draw the neck right here. Make it go out a little bit. So you don't want it to be like a thin line in between the head. And so we're just gonna draw a shirt. You can decorate it if you want to, or just have it being a plain shirt. So I'm just gonna draw the arms, and as you can see, I kind of put a triangle at the bottom so that it looks like a little bit of a gap between the arm and the body. And so that's what you're gonna do. Then we're gonna finish up the hair on that side, then go on to the other side. And at the ends, you kind of want to make it look a little stringy, so just do a little sketchy lines like that. I'm kind of draping the hair over the shoulder so that it makes it look like hair over the shoulder. And I'm gonna draw the part, then just draw the lining. Gotta make it look a little bit like it's the back ends of the ear behind it. So just gonna sketch it Remember, just draw little lines to make it look more like hair, like that. Then I'm gonna erase a little bit of the shoulder and drape some hair over it. And then add a little bit more. Gotta put some at the ends and add some extra hair. And there you go, you've got your face. You can keep adding hair, but it doesn't matter. And there you go. Now I'm just gonna do a quick little time lapse of it to make it look like a head. So here we go. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss a video. Bye!